Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne. I'm on board a Broom 35 European. Here in the front cabin, nice light and airy, 1.85 m headroom throughout the whole boat, not just the cabin. 3 berths here, 190 long by 60 each of them. And this front cabin shuts completely with doors to keep it completely separate from the rest of the boat. There is also a heads which can serve for this cabin or as a day heads. There's a private ensuite heads in the aft cabin. Let's just have a look in the galley or kitchen area. Cupola, central heating to radiators. There's also electric radiators throughout should you be somewhere where you've got a good shore power. Galley, kitchen. Just move up into the pilot house saloon. With its bunket, bench seating. Now this table, watch this. On a magic stand, folds away neatly, so you've got access to the engine, or engines, 2 Ford Lemons. Interior steering position. Cupboards, lots of wood, nice warm atmosphere. Let's just make our way back. There's access doors on both sides of this pilot house and aft out to the back deck. And just made my way down into the aft cabin with a double bed, 1.90 m by 1.40 m. Just off to starboard, your own bathroom, shower room and sea loo. Opening windows, and dresser. Wardrobes. And a Houdini hatch with mosquito net. If you'd like any more information about this Broom 35 that has been really modernised by the present owners, insulation throughout, that Cupola central heating, can be used as a full-time liveaboard boat and is useful on inland waterways as well as coast. I'd look forward to hearing from you. I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne. All the contact details are on the site. You can Skype, telephone or email me. I look forward to hearing from you.